What's going on, traders? It's Ben from the Intraday Investors YouTube channel. I just finished up trading for the day. It's around 10:30 a.m. I took a trade on Roku and Tesla this morning. I took a pretty unnecessary loss on Tesla. I'll just pull up the chart real quick, show you guys where I got in. So above 446 this morning on the 5-minute chart. I got in a little bit early, had a bad fill on it, and then I didn't really understand my risk prior to entering the trade, so ended up being like $100 loss. But I got in Roku above 139, and I was able to add some contracts above 140, so I was able to add to a pretty great setup that we had on the 5-minute chart that we had developed during the pre-market. So after Roku broke out above 140, I had those 4 contracts. I was able to make around 570 on it, I think. Just pulling my positions. Yeah, so on the bottom you can see here I made $574 on Roku, but I lost 106 on Tesla, so about 468 today. That's not a bad day at all whatsoever, because I had that great trade on Roku. I was really able to capitalize that. So I just wanted to go over a few things that I've tried to been improving on lately as a trader. One of those things being adding to good trades. So when I see a setup like this on Roku developing during the pre-market, or it gets pointed out to me at some time during the trading morning, that's really a setup that we want to look at. So looking at the 5-day chart here, you can really see that 139, 140 is a pretty key level on this 5-day chart. It was a high from Friday, and we ended up breaking out just above 144 on it. So when I see a setup like this, it's something that I want to capitalize on without hesitating. As a great trader, that's something that you have to be doing all the time, especially when you're making really quick decisions. When you see a trade that fits your system, when it has a good catalyst, when it has a good technical level, when all these things combine, you can't hesitate on a trade like this, because you're going to miss out on opportunities. Now, every day in the stock market there's new opportunity, but we got to capitalize on the good ones, and that's what I did today on Roku. So I was able to get a really nice profit on Roku today, starting off the week great. I did start off the new year pretty well too, but going forward this January I'm going to be doing a lot of review, really just focusing on getting better every day. And that's what's important, with becoming a great trader. We want to be in the zone, just understanding everything and really improving. So as I'm going forward, I'll probably have Roku on watch again tomorrow. I had such a great move today. I'm sure there'll be some price target upgrades. As of Tesla, Tesla's been a really solid stock pretty much for the last month or so. We really had, after earnings, obviously you see 320 at 4. We had a high of 454 on Friday, so we're really moving on Tesla too. So that's obviously been a great stock to watch along with Roku. Most tech stocks, as most of you know, I'm an options trader, so I watch a lot of these blue chip tech stocks, and that's probably what I'm going to be doing going forward with the month, and at least for the rest of the year. Volatility's picking up. We had the news with Iran, which is pretty big, so I'm sure that we'll start to see some really significant moves from the market at some point. Volatility hasn't really been there, but it's starting to pick up, so I think we're going to have a pretty crazy 2020. It's going to be a big year, and I'm pretty excited. So it's a really quick video, but I like doing stuff like this, quick recaps on how I did during the day. So if you guys enjoyed this, just give the video a like. I'll be sure to upload more stuff like this in the coming future. So have a good one.